Hello everyone, and welcome back to Softwares for You. Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly import MP4 files into Audacity, so you can edit audio directly from your videos. By default, Audacity can't read MP4 files, but we are going to fix that in simple steps. Step 1. First, open Audacity and head to the Edit menu, or press Ctrl+P on your keyboard to open Preferences. On the left-hand sidebar, click on Libraries. Step 2. You'll see the FFmpeg library section. Ensure you're connected to the internet and click the download button. This will redirect you to the official Audacity FFmpeg documentation page. Step 3. Scroll down to find the FFmpeg installer links. You'll typically see two options, one for 64-bit processors and one for ARM. Choose the one that matches your system. Most modern PCs use the 64-bit version. Click the link to go to the final download page and select the latest installer file. Step 4. Once the download is complete, close Audacity to ensure a clean installation. Locate the installer in your Downloads folder, double-click to run it, and follow the standard installation prompts. Step 5. Now, relaunch Audacity. Let's test it by dragging an MP4 file directly into the workspace. As you can see, the audio track is now successfully imported and ready for editing. If this tutorial solved your problem, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Softwares for You. Thanks for watching.